Hello there, how are you? Welcome back. Today I'm going to do a real brief overview of the installation of the pump, filter, and the jets that I opted to put on the pups stock tank pool. Now this pump and filter I purchased off of Amazon. It's a sand filter. I didn't want to deal with the cartridge filter. Plus, the sand filter is what I'm actually familiar with, so that's what I opted to go with. A heads up to y'all, if you do buy the sand filter from Amazon, they don't include any of the jets or anything that you need for the pool. They don't include any of the hoses to connect it to the pool, and they don't include the sand. So now that we've got that out of the way, I'll go ahead and get this collar tightened on. Now I didn't film it, but I washed the sand multiple times prior to putting it in the filter, and then I filled the filter up with water. That way the pump wouldn't be starting out with the sand filter portion completely empty. So I got a hole sawed about the size of the jets that I need. On this side, I'm mounting two jets, one upper, one lower for the return. And the cool part about these, I drilled the hole, but on the front side of the jet inside the pool, I just put clear Gorilla Tape over it to keep from having water blasting out. That way I could go ahead and get these hoses set up. So just a couple of hints. When you are putting any threaded fittings together on this, use Teflon tape and the Teflon liquid tape to get a good seal. The other thing is, wherever you have a hose barb, the plastic hoses that they have to that plastic hose barb does not want to seal. It doesn't want to clamp down on it. You don't want to over tighten it. So if you wrap it 2 or 3 times with electrical tape, push the hose over the end of it, and then tighten the hose clamp down, you will get a good seal, and you'll see that coming up. So this was just to get my pool up and running. So I went to Lowe's and bought this bilge hose for 11 bucks. This tee was $9 and these two elbows were $9, and those were off of Amazon. So I used my elbows to direct my hose so I wouldn't have a big kink. And the left side of your screen at the bottom is the jet that is connected to the elbow. It comes over and it goes into this tee, which services the top return. And they are both supplied by the discharge up here on the top of the filter. And the filter head there, it's marked what gets what, so there's no messing it up. So this is the other side by the skimmer. This is the pool return. So it comes over, goes up, water comes down into the skimmer as well, and both of them go straight over into another tee. That tee splits off. It handles the drain at the center of the pool if I need it. It has an on-off, a shut-off there, and it also goes directly into the front part of the pump. Pretty straightforward, y'all. Just do it the way that works for you. I'm just showing you how I did it to kind of just give you some ideas. Alrighty then, have an absolutely wonderful and blessed day. I'll see you next time.